Yes, a very good morning, class 2. Yes, we will do some questions of chapter subtraction. Now open the page number 79 and do it in fair copy. Right? Yes. So see the question number 1. 6344. This is ones and this is tens. So step 1 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 4 from 3. But this is not possible because 4 is greater than 3. Now from the tens column we borrow 110 and 510 are left, and in ones position 110 plus 3 ones becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 9 under ones column, and in tens position we want to subtract 4 from 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1, 9. Second question is, this is ones and this is tens. We want to subtract 9 from 7. So it is not possible beta, because 9 is greater than 7. So we borrow 110 and 6 tens are left, and 110 plus 7 1 becomes 17 ones. So 17 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So write 8 under ones column, and now in tens position we want to subtract 6 from 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So write 0 under tens column. This is question number 2. Now see the question number 3. We want to subtract, see the ones, subtracting ones from ones. So we want to subtract 6 from 0, but it is not possible because 6 is greater than 0. So from the tens column we borrow 110 and 6 tens are left, and in ones position 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Write 4 under ones column, and in tens column now we want to subtract 5 from 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So write 1 in tens column. Now see this is question number 3, and this is question number 4, this is question number 5. Yes, see the question number 4. Is it clear? So this is ones and this is tens. We want to subtract 7 from 6. Is it possible? No, because 7 is greater than 6, right? So from the tens column we borrow 110 and leaving behind 3, and 3 tens are left. So 6 becomes 110 plus 6 ones becomes 16. So 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. Right? So write 9 under ones column. Now in tens position we want to subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So write 1 under tens column. Question number 5. This is ones, this is tens. 8, 0 minus 6, 3. See the ones. So we want to subtract 3 from 0. But it is not possible because 3 is greater than 0. Yes. So from the tens column we borrow 110 and 710 are left. So in ones position 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones, and 10 minus 3 is 7. And now in tens position we want to subtract 6 from 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So write 1 7. Now question number 6. See the ones. We want to subtract 5 from 4. So is it possible? No. Why? 4 is smaller. Good. Now next we borrow 110, right? So here is 4 is left, and in ones position 110 plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones. 14 ones minus 5 ones. 14 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 8, 6. 14 minus 5, right? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9. Sorry, write 9 under ones position, and now in tens position 4 minus 2 is 2. So write 2 under tens position. Question number 7. See the ones. We want to subtract 9 from 3, but 3 is smaller than 9. So we borrow 110 and 310 are left. So 110 plus 3 ones becomes 13 ones. So 13 minus 9, 4. Write 4 under ones column, and in tens column 3 minus 1 is 2. So write 2 under the tens column. Question number 8. See the ones. We want to subtract 3 from 2, but 3 is greater than 2. So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 5, and in ones position 110 plus 2 ones becomes 12 ones. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So write 9 under ones column, and now subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 3 from 5. It is possible because 5 is greater and 3 is smaller. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Right? See the question number 9. 7 1 minus 3 4. So subtracting the ones, we want to subtract 4 from 1. But it is not possible because 1 is smaller than 4. Right? So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 6, and in ones position 110 plus 1 ones becomes 11 ones. So 11 minus 4 is 11 minus 4, 7. So write 7 under ones column, and now subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 3 from 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Right? 37. Now next is question number 10, and last question is question number 11. This is the second last question of today. So 6 5 minus 2 9. So subtracting the ones, we want to subtract 9 from 5. 9 from 5. So is it not possible? So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 5, and in ones position 110 plus 5 ones becomes 15 ones. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So write 6 under the ones column. Now in tens position we want to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we write 3 under tens column. And now last question is O means ones and T means tens. So 87 minus 78. So step subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 8 from 7. Right? 8 is greater than 7. So from the tens column we borrow 110. 710 is left, and 7 ones becomes 110 plus 7 1 becomes 17 ones. So 17 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. So write 9 under ones column. Now in tens column we want to subtract 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So write 0 under tens column. Right? So Do this work in your fair copy, and homework is do all questions of page number 79 in your copy. Okay, thank you class, and have a nice day.